To derive the standard form of an equation, we use pfs of 1 plus pfs of 2 is equals to 2a. So, as you can see, we got 2a from the two vertices. So, pfs of 1 plus pfs of 2 equals 2a. Then, f1 is c0 and f2 is negative c0. We should get the square root of the quantity x minus c square plus the quantity of y minus 0 square. Then we simplify the numbers inside the parentheses. So basically, as you can see, we move 2a to the other side and we just copy the rest. So in this part, as you can see, we just squared both sides so that we can cancel out the radical sign. So after squaring, we get the product quantity of x minus c squared plus y squared equals to 2a squared minus 2 times 2a minus square root of x plus c squared plus y squared times the quantity of x plus c squared plus y squared. And by simplifying, cancel the like terms and copy the rest. Move 2x to the right and copy the remaining terms. Add 2x and divide both sides by 4 and cancel. The answer would be a square root of the quantity x plus c squared plus y squared equals a squared plus cx. Square both sides and the answer would be a square quantity of x plus c squared plus y squared equals to a raised to the power of 4 plus 2a squared cx plus c squared x squared. In this part, we should simplify and use the distributive property. After canceling and gathering the terms, we should factor out a square x square plus c square x square plus a square y square equals a raised to the power of 4 minus a square c square. After which, divide both sides by a square, quantity a square minus c square, then cancel. So, after dividing, write the remaining terms, and if we cancel a square quantity of a square minus c square over a square quantity of a square minus c square, it will be equal to 1. This results to the standard form of an ellipse, which is x squared over a square plus y squared over b squared equals to 1. This is the given equation. So, a squared is equals to 25, while b squared is equals to 16. If you square b squared, the answer would be 4. And if you square a squared, the answer would be 5. So, we will be getting the relationship between a B, and C. And to get the value of C, we will use this formula. A square is equals to B square plus C square. A square is 25, B square is 16, and C square will be C square. 25 minus 16 equals to C square. So, 25 minus 16 will be 9. Square both sides to cancel C square. The answer would be C positive negative 3. So, in getting the formula to find the center of an ellipse, we will use the formula quantity x minus h square over a square plus quantity y minus k square over b square is equals to 1. Since there is no h and k value, the center will be at the origin. Because there is no h and k value, both will be 0, and a will be 5. As I have said, there will be no value for h and k, and c will be 3. For example number 2, the equation would be quantity of x plus 3 square over 16 plus quantity of y minus 5 square over 25 is equals to 1. So, a square is equals to 25, while b square is equals to 16. If you square b square, the answer would be 4. And if you square a square, the answer would be 5. Square is 25, b square is 16, and c square will be c square. 25 minus 16 equals to c square. The answer would be c positive negative 3. As you can see, the formula is quantity of x minus h square over b square plus quantity of y minus k square over a square equals to 1. So since the value of h is 3 and the value of k is 5, the center will be at negative 3 and positive 5. So h is equals to negative 3 and k is 5. The value of a square, which is 5, equals to 10. So the coordinate of the vertices are negative 3 and 10. And same as the negative axis, but k will be negative. So h is equals to negative 3 and k is 5 plus the value of c is equals to 3, which is 8. So the coordinate of the foci are negative 3 and 8.